Here is the portable 65-watt charger. You can see this is the charging brick that plugs into the wall. It's not too heavy. It also has 2 slots because it uses USB-C. It has an included USB-C to USB-C cable, and also a USB-C to Lightning cable. And they can both be plugged in at the same time. Like this. It also has a nice hold on the cables once they're in, so they're not going to fall out, especially not with just gravity. And then when the charger's been plugged in, it also has a little LED around it, so you can see it at night.